Hey Belle, thanks for tuning in. It is your girl Melissa Danielle. I'm here to discuss this beauty right here. So this is going to be an install video slash tutorial. I'm going to show you guys how I installed the wig, how I styled it, all that good stuff. I don't want to have a long open and we're getting right into this. So this is from UNice Hair and it comes in a box like this. I've already, of course, taken it out of the box. This is their 13x4 lace front wig, dark auburn brown body wave, 24 inches. It'll be linked down below in the description bar. The wig came with a lot of goodies. It comes with one of these elastic bands so that you can melt your lace. So it comes with some wig caps. It comes with the eyelashes that I'm wearing right now. I wanted to put them on with the wig. And then it comes with this, and I'm not sure what this is. So let's look and see. Oh, it comes with this little cute makeup brush. It is gorgeous. It's absolutely gorgeous. This is just the perfect color for fall. It is. So everything will be linked down below with the discount code and everything else that you need. All of UNice Hair, social media, everything. So let's jump into the tutorial. So guys, before I install it, this is what the wig looks like. I haven't did anything to it. I just put it on the mannequin head so you guys can see it clearly. So this is what it looks like. She is gorgeous. I haven't colored, haven't plucked or anything. So I'm gonna go ahead and put her on with my blasting freeze spray. So she has ear-to-ear lace. She has combs, elastic band, lace at the nape. And then she's a comb at the nape, and then also what do you call them? Adjustable straps. So I'm gonna put some powder inside of her before I start gluing her down because I want her to blend as seamlessly. Actually, let's try her one first. Let me see something. Let's see what she's giving. The lace is melting really good. I'm still gonna put a little bit of powder on there, but it's melting really good. Let me push my cap back a little bit.
Think I said too much? Am I out of touch with my feelings? That look upon your face, one I can't erase, it kills me. Wanna do you right, wanna be by your side, wanna let you know that it'll all be alright. But I've been here before, I just can't ignore the reasons. Wanted to stay, oh I desperately wanted to change, but everything just got in the way. Took all your pain and kept it to myself every day, a price that I was willing to pay. I know this may seem brutal, 'cause I'm a little honest. We tried to make it through love, but at least we tried our hardest. I know this might be brutal, 'cause I'm a little honest. I guess that it is true love. This isn't what we wanted. Colored in the lines, really took my time to love you, but you would second guess everything I said that was true. Tried to give my all, but I took most of the fall, knowing damn well that I shouldn't get involved. Wouldn't change a thing, still here listening to you. Wanted to stay, oh I desperately wanted to change, but everything just got in the way. tell myself we almost had it all, it all. I know this may seem brutal, 'cause I'm a little honest. We tried to make it through love, but at least we tried our hardest. I know this might be brutal, 'cause I'm a little honest. I guess that it is true love. This isn't what we wanted. Wanna do you right, wanna be by your side, wanna let you know that it'll all be alright. But I've been here before, I just can't ignore the reasons. Wanted to stay, oh I desperately wanted to change, but everything just got in the way. Took all your pain and kept it to myself every day, a price that I was willing to pay. I know this may seem brutal, 'cause I'm a little honest.
So guys, I'm gonna curl this side of my hair, doing the same thing. I'm just on each row, I'm alternating the direction, and when I get to the top, I determine which way I want the hair to go back. So like on this side, when I get to the top, I'll be curling the hair back, so that way when it lays, it'll like sort of like swoosh forward, like, you know, like a little swoopy swoop. But yeah, this is the thicker side, so let me get this done. I'll be right back.
Colored in the lines, really took my time to love you, but you would second guess everything I said that was true. Tried to give my all, but I took most of the fall, knowing damn well that I shouldn't get involved. Wouldn't change a thing, still here listening to you. Wanted to stay, oh I desperately wanted to change, but everything just got in the way. Took all your pain and kept it to myself every day, a price that I was willing to pay. I know this may seem brutal.
I'm gonna take off this headband. Hopefully I don't have a dent in my forehead, but we're gonna see. Oh no, we're good. We're good. We're good. So guys, on my edges, I didn't use any gel. I used just my Lotta Body mousse. I don't want the hard pressed down look. I'm gonna brush these out so that it looks a little bit more gentle. You see the difference? Like this one is like really gentle and feathered, and this one's just hard. So we don't want that look. So first I want to finger comb through these, see how it looks. I haven't curled my hair in a long time. It feels so weird to be doing this. I'm gonna take my paddle brush and just brush through this. So this hair is giving everything it was supposed to have gave. Like, the color is so gorgeous. I thought I wanted to go brighter, like to lift it even more, but like right now as it is out the box, it is just so absolutely gorgeous. It's nice and full too. This is all the hair pulled to the front right now. I'm going to, of course, push it back so you guys can see it. It is just gorgeous. This is giving me Little Mermaid vibes, you know? Like, it is just so pretty. I am in love. I can't stop staring at it. It's so beautiful. And now I see why I used to curl my hair all the time. It just gives you a look, okay? Okay, let me push the hair to the back so you guys can get a view at the back. Hopefully it's curled good in the back because, like I said, I ain't curled my hair in a long time. So I don't know. We're going to see. This unit is so beautiful. So I will have a link down below in the description bar with my discount code, all that good stuff. If there is anything I didn't answer or you didn't see, let me know down below and I'll get back to you guys. I love you so much. Thanks for watching. Until next time, stay fierce, stay fabulous. Melissa Danielle. Mwah.